Have you ever pondered what separates the wealthy from the rest? It's knowledge, specifically financial knowledge. This understanding doesn't come by chance. It's cultivated through continuous learning, and one of the best ways to acquire this knowledge is through reading. But not just any reading, mind you. The choice of material is crucial. There's a sea of books out there, but only a select few have the power to transform your financial destiny. These books don't just offer theoretical knowledge, they provide practical insights, strategies, and wisdom that have been tested and proven over time. They unravel the secrets of wealth creation, break down complex financial concepts, and guide you on the path to financial independence. So, whether you're an entrepreneur, an investor, or just someone seeking financial freedom, these books can be your guide. In the next few minutes, we'll delve into 13 books that can set you on the path to financial success. Starting off with a classic, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This timeless treasure trove of wisdom takes us on a journey of success and wealth creation. Hill's book doesn't just talk about financial wealth, it delves into the richness of mind and spirit. The book is a testament to the power of positive thinking, the magic of setting clear and defined goals, and the significance of persistence in the face of adversity. Hill intricately weaves a tapestry of success principles, underlining the idea that our thoughts manifest into reality. The book is a call to action, urging us to take control of our thoughts and direct them towards our desired outcomes. It underscores the importance of cultivating a burning desire, unwavering faith, and a persistent drive. So if you're looking to start your journey to wealth, remember, wealth begins in the mind, and this book is a great starting point. Next up is The 4-Hour Workweek by Timothy Ferriss. This revolutionary book defies the standard 9-to-5 work model that has been ingrained in our society. Ferriss introduces strategies for achieving a more flexible work-life balance, one that doesn't tie you to a desk or a specific location. He speaks of automating income, a concept that might seem alien to many, but in the digital age, it's more feasible than you might think. With the right tools and mindset, you can create sources of income that require minimal active involvement, freeing up your time for pursuits that truly matter. The book also promotes a location-independent lifestyle, encouraging readers to take advantage of the freedom that technology offers. Why confine yourself to an office when you can work from a beach in Bali or a cafe in Paris? The 4-Hour Workweek challenges you to reconsider your traditional work model and instead optimize for efficiency. Now let's move on to The Lean Startup by Eric Ries. This book is a game changer for anyone dreaming of founding a startup. Ries introduces us to the Lean Startup methodology, a systematic and iterative approach to business development. This method is all about efficiency, encouraging entrepreneurs to build and test prototypes rapidly and adjust their plans on the fly, based on real-world feedback. Why waste time and resources building something that nobody wants? With the Lean Startup approach, you can find out what works and what doesn't, quickly and without breaking the bank. It's about learning from failure, pivoting when necessary, and constantly iterating on your ideas. This methodology isn't just for Silicon Valley tech startups. It's a universal approach that can be applied to any industry or business, big or small. For aspiring entrepreneurs, this book offers a blueprint for building successful businesses. It's a must-read for anyone looking to make their mark in the business world. Up next is 0 to 1 by Peter Thiel. Penned with Blake Masters, this scintillating read delves into the secrets of constructing a successful startup and achieving a monopoly in a market. A co-founder of PayPal and an influential venture capitalist, Thiel shares his unique insights drawn from his vast experience. Central to his philosophy is the notion of innovation. In a world where replication is often the norm, Thiel champions the idea of creating something new, something unique. The title 0 to 1 encapsulates this concept perfectly. It's about going from nothing to something, not just adding more of the same. It is about creating value where there was none before. Thiel argues that it is these 0 to 1 moments that truly drive progress and build successful businesses. So, for those aspiring to create a startup, or to innovate within their industries, Thiel's work is a must-read. Innovation is the key to building a successful startup, and this book provides valuable insights on how to achieve it. Moving on to The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. This thought-provoking book dives deep into the behavioral psychology that influences our money management and investment decisions. It's not just about numbers and calculations, but rather our attitudes, beliefs, and emotions that play a major role in how we handle our finances. Housel illuminates how people think about money, and why it often differs from what we might expect. For instance, he explores why some people save diligently, while others spend impulsively, and why some investors take unnecessary risks, while others are overly cautious. The book offers practical advice for making better financial choices. It encourages readers to understand their own money psychology, and to be mindful of the psychological traps that can lead to poor financial decisions. In essence, it's about gaining self-awareness to make smarter, more informed choices about money. Understanding the psychology of money can significantly improve your financial decisions. To wrap up, let's quickly go through a selection of other powerful reads. Starting off, we have The 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene. This book is a deep dive into the art of power, strategy, and manipulation. It offers a comprehensive guide to navigating the world of power dynamics, drawing from history and literature to outline 48 laws that can help individuals secure their position and influence. Next is Start with Why by Simon Sinek. This book is centered around the idea that successful organizations and individuals have a clear sense of purpose, or a why, for what they do. Sinek explores how this strong sense of purpose can drive success and inspire others to follow suit. Mindset by Carol S. Dweck is another crucial read. Dweck discusses the concept of a growth mindset versus a fixed mindset. She explains how your mindset can impact your success, and offers advice on developing a growth-oriented perspective that can lead to personal and financial growth. We also have Good to Great by Jim Collins. This book explores the principles and characteristics that make companies transition from being good to becoming great. It's a popular book in the business and leadership genre, offering insights into successful organizational strategies. Get Rich Carefully by Jim Cramer, on the other hand, provides investment advice and strategies for building wealth while carefully managing risks. It's an excellent guide for individuals interested in stock market investing. The $100 Startup by Chris Guillebeau explores the concept of starting a micro business with minimal investment. It offers practical advice and case studies for aspiring entrepreneurs looking to launch a small venture. I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi offers practical and actionable financial advice on saving, investing, and building wealth, especially for young adults and those new to personal finance. Last but not least, Blue Ocean Strategy by W. Chan Kim and Renee Malborn introduces the concept of creating blue oceans of uncontested market space. It explores strategic innovation to find new market opportunities and avoid competition in overcrowded red oceans. These books are full of insights and practical advice that can help you to build wealth. In conclusion, these 13 books provide a wealth of knowledge on wealth creation. They each offer unique insights and strategies, from shifting your mindset to practical financial planning, from starting your own business to navigating the world of power dynamics. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, for instance, emphasizes the power of positive thinking and goal setting, while The 4-Hour Workweek by Timothy Ferriss challenges the traditional work model and offers strategies for a more flexible work-life balance. The Lean Startup by Eric Ries introduces a systematic approach to developing new businesses, while 0 to 1 by Peter Thiel explores the secrets of building a successful startup and achieving a monopoly in a market. The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel delves into the behavioral psychology behind money management, while Start with Why by Simon Sinek focuses on the importance of a clear sense of purpose. Mindset by Carol S. Dweck discusses the impact of one's mindset on their success, and Good to Great by Jim Collins explores the principles that make companies successful. Get Rich Carefully by Jim Cramer provides investment advice, while the $100 Startup by Chris Guillebeau explores the concept of starting a micro business with minimal investment. I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi offers practical financial advice, and Blue Ocean Strategy by W. Chan Kim and Renee Malborn introduces the concept of creating uncontested market space. These books are not just about getting rich, they're about understanding the principles that lead to financial success and applying them in your life. They provide you with the knowledge and the tools you need to build your wealth. So, if you're looking to improve your financial situation, these books are a great place to start. Read them, learn from them, apply their principles, and see the changes they can bring in your life. Remember, financial success starts with financial knowledge. So, start reading, start applying, and start building your wealth.